In this video, I want to give a side-by-side comparison of two different air filters. I just picked up these Breathe Simply, and you can see these. One thing I was pleased about, and these are 20 by 25 by 1. They come in different sizes. I was pleased in the box that they were shipped in that they were not damaged, so that's always a positive. These are a MERV 8, and the one that I'm taking out that I've also been satisfied with is a MERV 8. So this one, you can see it's dirty, which is a good thing. Shows it's been trapping a lot of things. This one is Aerostar MERV 8 filter, same size, 20 by 25 by 1. So you can see the dirty filter. And the MERV system, if you're not familiar with that, MERV, it's basically a filtration rating system. So you might see MERV 8, MERV 11, MERV 13. Basically, the higher the number, the better filtration that you're going to get. So these being MERV 8, it's not the lowest rating, it's not the highest either. MERV 8 is rated to filter out mold, pollen, dust mites, and lint. If you go to MERV 11, it's going to include smoke and smog and pet dander. And MERV 13, you have viruses, bacteria, dust mites, pollen, smoke, smog, things of that nature. So typically it's recommended to change these out about every 3 months. I just set my calendar on my phone to do it every 10 weeks because it's been about 10 weeks and you see it's getting pretty dirty. So I want to keep them changed out in my home. So the Aerostars have done a great job. You can see the results there. And now we're going to change it out. We're going to try one of these. And we're going to try the Breathe Simply ones. We're going to have an arrow like that right there to show you which way to install it. The airflow is going in, so I want to make sure I have it the right way. Ready to go. Hope this video is helpful in showing you side-by-side comparison of two highly rated MERV 8 air filters.